Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Apollo Tricoat, a very strong company with strong results. So let's understand about the business and let's understand where the stock is headed. So let's get started. First of all, disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Apollo Tricot, here's a small request: kindly support me on Patreon. And once you do that, help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And also, if you get $100 upfront, you can get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. And also, if you cannot pay on Patreon, you can join the YouTube membership and just email me and we can work things out on that as well. Now about the company. Established in 1983, Apollo Tricoat provides steel pipes and tubes, and they have a number of brands like Apollo Chocolate, Apollo Elegant, Signature, Wondor, and Steel Plank. The market cap of the company is around 5,500 crores, and it does not pay dividends, so that's a downer. Gaining traction over wood assemblers, and a lot of wood assembler companies are losing market share to Apollo Tricot, and they're doing pretty well in that segment. In terms of numbers, sales went up by 43% this time around, but profit dipped by 26% owing to larger profits last time around owing to other income. But overall, the profitability was pretty good. Debt is low. There is debt, but low debt is there. High promoter holding, but low institutional, you can say, push with the stock. The ROE of the company is around 3%. It has risen from around 2.5%, which is not that great, but margins are pretty good at 12%. Although margins are getting hit, and over the next 2 quarters, there could be pressure on the margins, and that's why the stock has fallen from the top at the moment. In terms of performance, stock has done extremely well over the last 2 years. It has done a lot, 2, 3x, 4x. Company has gained traction over the years, and inflation may play a spoil sport. And looks like these kind of companies, which use commodities just like steel, metals, etc., and those kind of companies which are into pipes and other kinds of equipments, may get impacted big time over the next 2 quarters. Sector may remain under pressure, say in the short term, as I mentioned, over the next 6 months or so. And consolidation is stock only an opportunity for long term investors to get in. So, if it consolidates even more for the next couple of weeks, that's where you need to probably accumulate the stock. I think numbers are set to improve once inflation peaks, probably in the next quarter or so, and things will look up again for these companies. In terms of technicals, there is strong support around the 850 880 region. Currently, the stock is around 950 940. Any 10% decline from here would be a great buying opportunity. 7 8% decline. Long term support is around 750, so a decline towards 850 would be a very good buying opportunity. Breakout is expected above 980,000 levels. It seems like that the stock is willing to go down rather than up from here, and the markets are also trying to factor in inflationary pressures that would come through. So on major declines or consolidation, one can buy. It may remain range bound for some time, and that will be opportunity to accumulate. So low liquidity and greater volatility means one has to be cautious in this stock and do not invest a lot into the company. Only what you can do is buy more when your stock prices go up, then you accumulate more on the stock. So in my opinion, buy but analyze numbers on a quarterly basis. Do an SIP, and you need to average when the stock goes above your buy price, at least 8-10% above your buy price. So if you buy it around 900, then wait for 1000 levels to be taken out to accumulate or buy even more. Can be good buy if things fall in place over the next 4 to 5 years time, and put only 5% of your total investment into such stocks. So this is a video on Apollo Tricot. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.